In designing my closet, I really wanted to have all the bells and whistles that you see in these Pinterest closets, but very specifically, I didn't want a space that just organized my clothes, but also organized all the other things that go along with my closet that is included in a dressing room. So a place to get ready with a vanity, a place for my jewelry, and then my favorite part is a place for all my beauty tools. What I love about each of my stations is that in the back, there is a built-in power strip. Now this particular product is called a docking drawer, and it's amazing because it's built right in. You don't have to deal with all the clutter of the cords getting tangled, and this particular model has 4 different spots for places to plug items in. And then even better, it has 2 little ports here for USB chargers, so you can charge different items here. And then on this side, it has 2 separate USB-C plug-ins, so I can plug in any type of item that I might need. And it's all stored right into this drawer. It's super easy, it's safe. The builders that built it said it was very easy to install. It's so simple and safe and easy to use, and it makes my beauty routine so much neater and organized, and I absolutely love it. I loved it so much that I installed 3 of them in my beauty room. It just makes all of my beauty supplies easy to get to, easy to store, easy to plug in, so useful to use, and it just makes my glam room that much more organized.